si Nicole, and we are the Poliano Twins. For today's vlog, we're gonna do what inside the box challenge. Tara, simulan na! Tara! So, sisimulan na natin.
Go.
Una. Suklay!
1 point na kay Nicole.
Gunting!
Yan. Tayo sila guys. So, 1 point, 1 point. Yan. Okay. 2 points na si Ab. 2 points na si Ab. 1 point. 3 go.
Cellphone!
Nauna si Ab. 3 points. 1 point.
Notebook!
Hindi.
Accounting!
Hindi.
Paper?
Hindi.
Notebook! Hindi nga. Accounting mo ito. Record. Para siyang notebook na papel. Book?
Tama. 2 points. 3 points.
Ang liit kasi parang ano. Susi.
Tama. 4 points. And 2 points.
Relo.
Tama. Ilan points ka na?
Watch.
5. 5 points. 2 points.
Lotion.
Tama. 3 points. 5 points.
Scotch tape.
Tama. 6 points. And 3 points.
Bracelet. Cat food.
Tama. 7 points and 3 points. That's it, guys.
Bye, guys! Sa susunod na vlog ulit! Thanks for watching!